what is it that you do?
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Princess K, simply the best. Period. I'm back and I'm back and I'm back. Back. I'm so sorry for not uploading videos. I've been off for quite a long time. Yeah, that's when I used to post videos. I was in class 8. Yeah. And now I'm in Form 2.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just want.
So I'm sorry to all my subscribers, all my viewers. I'm so sorry because I was not posting videos, I was not uploading videos at all. But now I'm back. As you can see, I've grown. I'm a bit huge. Yes. So how you guys doing? I'm at my shosho's place. I'm going to my shosho's place right now. I want to show you our farm, our big farm. Yes, and I promise from now I'll not be delaying. I'll be posting videos time to time, so be with me until I finish this video. And I have 3 videos I'm uploading today, so be with me until I finish this video.
Till you added colors, like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
Guys, welcome back. As I did in the intro that you're going to my grandmother's farm, this is where we're going. So let's go. So today I'm going to show you my grandmother's farm, big farm. I guess that's where my mom got interested into farming. And I'm going to show you the avocado trees and also the banana trees. Are you excited to go with me? So this is the gate which leads you to the shamba. There's 2 sides, of which this side is where you get mangoes, and this other side behind me is where you get the avocados. So we are starting with this side, and then you're gonna end with the other side. Okay, let's go. So guys, as you go, let's be chatting. Though it was raining earlier, and don't mind whether I'm walking slow because it's a bit muddy. And guys, how do you like my outfit of the day? Yeah, I've decided to come with my jeans because I don't feel like changing. So guys, my shosho is here. She didn't know that I was coming to the shamba, but let's go. Shosho, hi. Yes. You're good. Huh?
You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors, like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors, like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. need you.
This is where my grandmother has a lot of beans, though they are not ready, but as you can see, they're in the farm. They've not yet produced those beans. You can see. Wow, so pretty over there. All that, it's Shosho's place. So we continue going to this rest of the other side. I say this side is where we have a lot of bush, like it's a bush, but Shosho said she's going to clear the area because there might be a lot of pests. Not only just pests, but animals. Yes. We are going. We are marching. So this is sorghum. Yes, this is sorghum plant. Though it's not ready, but it's a sorghum plant. Got some here, and oh wow, we have some banana plants here. Though this is not the main farm of bananas, I'm going to show you the main farm of bananas. It's not here, but this is where the bananas are. I want to show you this plant where my mom planted. It's a flower. I love this flower so much. Though I don't know the name, but I love it because it has this green color. I love color green, first of all.
Hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
So let's go on. Let's go to where the main farm of the other side. As you can see, I've passed the gate on this left side. Yeah. So if you had mangoes, we could have eaten them right now. So let's go to this other side. This is the area where she has bananas, but not only just this place, but she has another place where she has a lot, and I mean a lot of bananas. Yes. So when I grow up, for me, that people were wondering if my mother does farming, my grandmother was doing farming. For me, I'll do farming as a side hustle. Yes, I'll do bananas. Okay, I've misplaced my earphones, but I'll do farming for a side hustle. Yes, as you can see, there are small places where she has put bananas. This area is like a bush, but she has said she's gonna clear it because I'm so sure there are a lot of small animals in there, including snakes, which I'm afraid of.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow.
We used to have lemon. I don't know if there's lemon or not. lemon, 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 lemon. No, there is no sign. Yes, there are two signs of lemon. Let me try to have one. But they're not yellowish. Yes, this time we find that one. You see that one? I want to take it. And make sure when you're seeing a lemon plant, be careful because it has small thorns. And if you don't know, you might be popped. As you can see, this one it has thorns. So let me take that one and then we eat. Yes.
Thank you guys for watching this far. I've really appreciated for your time. I'm so sorry I haven't finished the video. It rained and I went back to the house. The next video I'll show you the other part of the farm. It was just the quarter of the farm. And also I'll show you the cows, the goats, the pigs, and also the chickens. I hope that you loved the farm, the small part of the farm that I showed you, and also the flowers and also the avocado types of plants that we have. So subscribe, like, and share. Tell your friend who has another friend to subscribe, like, and share. And I love you so much. Thanks for your love and support. Bye.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You say change colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.